Shalom, everybody. This is Investor Sheikh back at it again with another video. I want to start off the year with a blue chip stock. This is one of my favorite blue chip stocks. It's Waste Management, ticker symbol WM. Stock price is at $164.30. It has a market cap of 68 billion. Annual dividend of $2.29. The 52-week low is 107.37 and the high is 167.61. It has a PE ratio of 38.95 and an earnings per share of $4.12. Waste Management is the leading provider of comprehensive waste management environmental services in North America, providing services throughout the US and Canada. Through its subsidiaries, the company provides collection, transfer, disposal services, and recycling and resource recovery. It is also a leading developer, operator, and owner of landfill gas-to-energy facilities in the U.S. The company's customers include residential, commercial, industrial, and municipal customers throughout North America. So, in a nutshell, this company takes out your trash, puts it in a landfill, and tries to find ways to make energy with the waste, which is a game changer because honestly, you have to be thankful that these companies exist. Otherwise, this country would be no different than a third world in terms of cleanliness. So be thankful for the dumpsters, be thankful for the garbage man, and be thankful for the garbage trucks taking out your trash, because where else would you put your trash besides the garbage can? Let's take a look at the stock price. So this is how the stock has grown over the past 5 years. So back in 2017, it was around the 70s. Then it just gradually went up to as high as 125 before March 2020. Then it dipped to as low as 89. And then since then, it has been gradually increasing, already experiencing all-time highs right now. And frankly, given that this company is very essential, I do expect the valuation to go up over time, similar to other blue chip companies. Because as you know, a blue chip company is a well-established company that's been around for at least 30, 40, 50 years or even more. And they're still productive, they're still efficient, and they're still collecting a healthy revenue, unlike a lot of growth companies. So this is definitely a stock where you can hold it for life. And in the past month, you do see some volatility here, but it's not as bad as a lot of growth stocks. So it was in the 160s for about a month, then dipped to the high 150s, then started going up, then down, and slightly up. But it's best to look at the bigger picture. As you see here, gradual growth over time. And then taking a look at the financials. We'll start with the analysts and what they have to say. It's between a buy and a hold at 2.4, with price targets as low as 153 and as high as 188. But no, I do believe that Waste Management can be a $200 stock, but that may take 4 or 5 years. This is a stock which you will see slow, gradual growth. You're not going to double your money in a short amount of time. So I wouldn't try to trade this stock. This is a long-term hold. So looking at the financials, they have a net income of $1.7 billion. Let me repeat that, $1.7 billion in net income. So they are very profitable. And then looking at the balance sheet, they have $29.3 billion in assets and 21.8 billion in liabilities. And the reason for that would be the long-term debt, which is at 13.2 billion, and the current debt, which is significantly less at 551 million. But as long as the assets are greater than the liabilities, that's a good sign for the company, as well as the fact that they are profitable. They do have debt, but this debt, when compared to their assets, is well below the threshold to make it a Sharia compliant stock. And then lastly, Waste Management is also a dividend paying stock. So as you see here, going from 2013, their quarterly dividends were 36.5 cents. And as the years go by, it has gradually increased. And the most recent dividend is 57.5 cents. So with this stock, not only are you getting long-term gradual growth, but you're also getting long-term dividend growth as well. So over time, if you were to hold this stock in a Roth IRA and you receive dividends and you were to reinvest those dividends into Waste Management, within 5 to 10 years, you will amass a good sum of money. And all it takes is patience. This is a sound company. I don't see any reason why Waste Management would go out of business, because the trash needs to be taken out. The trash needs to be taken out, and they're the ones doing it, and they're profiting off of that. So why can't you? Now, as always, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy WM stock because I'm talking about it. Please do your own research, and if you like what you see, consider adding the stock to your watch list. This is Investor Sheikh, checking out. Happy New Year to everyone.